Welcome to Mathematics Online Lecture Series, Vector Calculus, Lecture number 46, Vector Integration, 26th lecture, Stokes Theorem. Today we will discuss a few more problems on Stokes Theorem. All these problems are most important for concept-wise and examination point of view. Now, first question, listen carefully. Verify Stokes Theorem for the function f equals to 2x minus y into I minus yz square j minus y square zk, okay, over the upper half of the surface of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square equals to a square, bounded by the projection of xy plane. Now this question is very simple question. So our surface is upper half of the sphere. So above xy plane, now we have this is the curved surface is our surface. This is our surface. Okay. So we will verify Stokes theorem. For this purpose, first we will find the double integral of curl f dot n ds over the surface S. S is the surface. Then verification is very simple. Find the integral f dot dr along the closed curve C. What is the closed curve C? This is the closed curve C. Circular curve. So now we will verify both the integral. Now we will find both the integral values. Then finally show that both the values are same. Okay. First we will find surface integral over this surface, curved surface of the sphere. Okay. For this purpose, first we will find curl f. Curl f equals to I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. First term is 2x minus y minus y z square minus y square z. Okay. Now find the determinant. Determinant is nothing but the curl. I into dou by dou y of this term minus 2yz, dou by dou z of this term minus or minus plus 2yz, minus j into first dou by dou y of this one, dou by dou z of this one. Okay. J, dou by dou x of this term is 0. Dou by dou z of this term is also 0. Okay, fine. Plus k into dou by dou x of this one is 0. Dou by dou y of this term is minus or minus plus 1. Fine. Now finally, curl f equals to k. Okay, fine. Actually find the normal to the surface for finding the surface integral for the curved surface, project on in the xy plane, then we will get the required solution. But instead of this technique, already we discussed a very important concept. Instead of the surface S, now find the surface integral over S dash. S dash is this open surface. Let S dash be the open surface, open circular surface. So already we discussed in our earlier class by using Gauss divergence theorem. We know that double integral of curl f dot n ds over the surface S is same as double integral of curl f dot n ds over the surface S dash but take the normal in this direction. Okay. Now what is the normal to the circular curve? Now this is z-axis is the normal, unit normal is k. So here n equals to k for s dash. Now what is curl f dot n? Double integral. Now this is very easy. Curl f is already k, dot n is also same. Double integral of ds is nothing but area of the circle. What is the area? Pi into r square. R is the radius. So pi a square is the answer. So without finding the curved surface, just we are finding the surface integral over this s dash surface. This is the easiest method for finding the double integral. Otherwise we can find double integral over this curved surface, find n equals to del phi equals to the x square plus y square plus z square minus a square. Already we discussed in our surface integral concept. Now this is equation 1. Double integral of curl f dot n ds. Okay. Verification. Verification is also very easy. We know that r bar equals to xi plus yj plus zk. dr bar equals to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. F dot dr equals to 2x minus y into dx minus yz square dy minus y square z dz. I will check the function. 2x minus y minus yz square y square z. Okay, fine. All are negative. Okay, negative. Fine. The given curve is, the given closed curve is, what is the closed curve? Circular curve. What is the curve is? X square, circle equation in xy plane, a square z equals to 0. Now the parametric equations. The parametric equations are x equals to a cos theta, y equals to a sin theta. This is nothing but line integration, already we discussed. Z equals to 0. Now dx equals to minus a sin theta d theta, dy equals to a cos theta d theta, dz equals to 0. Substituting all these results in f dot dr, then what happened? First 2 into x, 2a cos theta minus y a sin theta dx minus a sin theta d theta. Okay. Second term contains z term, z is 0, here z is 0, so remaining terms are zeros. Now simplification. A square is the common term. 2 sin theta cos theta with negative sign, sin 2 theta. Minus or minus plus, sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 into d theta. Integration. Integral f dot dr over the closed curve C equals to a square into angle is 0 to 2 pi sin 2 theta plus 1 by 2 minus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. A square into minus cos 2 theta by 2 plus theta by 2 sin 2 theta by, here minus or minus plus, sin 2 theta by 2, 0 to 2 pi. Put theta equals to 2 pi, a square into this value is 0, this value is pi, this value is 0. If you put theta equals to 0, sorry, this value is 1. If you put theta equals to 0, minus 1, 0, plus 0. Finally, this one cancel, pi a square. So what is the left hand side? Integral f dot dr over the closed curve C equals to pi a square. From 1 and 2, integral, double integral, curl f dot n ds over the surface S equals to integral f dot dr over the closed curve equals to pi into a square. Hence, Stokes theorem is verified. Okay. Now another question, same procedure, verify Stokes theorem for the function. Same procedure, same diagram, same concept. Now first find curl f. Curl f equals to I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, y, z, x. Find the determinant. Dou this value is 0. Now dou by dou z of this value is 1. Okay, minus j. Dou by dou x of x is 1. Okay, dou by dou z value is 0. Minus k into dou by dou z value is 0. This value is minus 1. So finally minus I, minus j. Okay, k into this value is minus 1. Okay, then no problem. Plus k. Same procedure. S dash be the, now already we discussed it in our previous problem. This is a circular curve in x-ray plane. This is z. Now omit this one. This is the sphere. This is S. This is S dash. So, what is the normal? Let S dash be the circular surface. Instead of S, we are finding the S dash like our previous problem. So double integral of, here n equals to k. Outside normal is k. Double integral of curl f dot n ds over the surface S is same as double integral of curl f dot n ds over the surface S dash. S dash is this surface. Now curl f dot n is 1, already discussed. Curl now what about curl f dot n? Okay, I will write here. Curl f dot n equals to, now already here k dot k is 1. Integral, double integral of ds. This is nothing but area. Area of the circle. Pi into r square. That is pi is the answer. Double integral of curl f dot n ds over the surface S equals to pi. Now verification. Same procedure. R bar equals to xi plus yj plus zk. Dr bar equals to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. F dot dr equals to, first term is y, z x, okay, y dx plus z dy plus x dz. Okay, the given curve is, the given closed curve is already discussed like our previous problem, x square plus y, here radius is 1, z equals to 0. The parametric equations are x equals to cos theta, y equals to sin theta, z equals to 0, like your previous problem. Dx equals to minus sin theta d theta, dy equals to cos theta d theta, dz equals to 0. Now f dot dr. F dot dr equals to y sin theta into minus dx is minus sin theta d theta, z is 0, dz is 0, remaining two terms are zeros, minus sin square theta d theta. This can be written as minus of 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Is it correct? Just I will check it. So y is z. Okay, small mistake here. This is plus. That's why this is negative sign. This is minus 1. This is minus. This is minus. Minus. Okay. Answer is minus. Okay. Integral f dot dr over the closed curve C equals to integral theta is 0 to 2 pi minus 1 by 2 plus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. Now this is minus theta by 2 plus sin 2 theta by 4 0 to 2 pi. If you put theta equals to pi, so 2 pi minus pi plus 0, answer is minus pi. Then what do you say? Integral f dot dr over the closed curve C equals to minus pi. So from 1 and 2, then what do you say? Stokes theorem is verified. Stokes theorem is verified. Okay. In the similar way, same procedure, we will discuss another question. Curl f equals to same procedure. Function is different. I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, y square, y minus zx. I into dou by dou y, this value is 0, dou by dou z value is 0, minus j into dou by dou x value is minus z, dou by z value is 0, plus k into dou by dou x is 0, now this is 2y. So answer is zj minus 2yk. In the previous problem, constant, here different one. Now same procedure, let s dash be the surface, be the circular surface, x square plus y square equals to a square, comma, z equals to 0. We know that, already we discussed it, double integral of curl f dot n ds equals to double integral of curl f dot n ds over the circular surface. Now this is double integral of curl f dot n equals to, now what is n? N equals to same procedure, n equals to k, z axis, curl f dot n equals to minus 2y. Now minus 2y into dx dy, which is in xy plane. Okay, over the surface s dash. Now I will apply polar coordinates. I think this is easy. The polar coordinates are, otherwise you can apply. x equals to circle r cos theta, y equals to r sin theta, dx dy equals to, you may apply directly, then no problem, you will get the same answer, dr d theta. Now this is double integral of curl f dot n ds over the surface S equals to minus 2 into radius is 0 to 1, I think 1 or a. Okay. Angle is 0 to 2 pi. So y is r sin theta, dx dy is r dr d theta. First integrate with respect to theta. R is 0 to a, so r square into sin theta integration is minus cos theta, 0 to 2 pi dr. Now minus 2 into r is 0 to a, r square into, if you put theta equals to 2 pi, minus 1 minus or minus plus 1, so integral value is 0. So then what do you get? Very simple, double integral of curl f dot n ds over the surface S equals to 0. Okay, here directly we can observe y is a odd function, integral minus root over a square minus x square to root over x square is directly 0. Okay, then no problem. This is 1. Right. Now verification. Verification. So we know that r bar dr bar equals to, already discussed in several problems, dyj plus dz. F dot dr equals to, so function y square y xz. Okay. Now the given curve is closed curve, x square plus y square equals to a square and z equals to 0. Parametric equations are x equals to a cos theta, y equals to a sin theta, z equals to 0. dx equals to minus a sin theta d theta, dy equals to a cos theta d theta, dz equals to 0. F dot dr equals to y square, that is a square sin square theta into dx, dx is minus a sin theta d theta plus, okay, y is a sin theta, dy is a cos theta d theta, so last term is 0. Integrating here, a square a cube sin cube theta, here a square sin theta cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta d theta. Now what is sin cube theta in terms of sin 3 theta? Sin cube theta can be written as 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. So using this formula, a cube into 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4 plus a square by 2 into sin 2 theta d theta. Now integration. Integral f dot dr over the closed curve C equals to a cube by 4 into theta is 0 to 2 pi 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta d theta plus a square by 2 into theta is 0 to 2 pi sin 2 theta d theta. A cube by 4 into minus 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 3 0 to 2 pi. A square by 2 into minus cos 2 theta 0 to 2 pi. So now what is the value? 3a cube by 4 minus 3 plus 1 by 3 again plus 3 minus 1 by 3, all are cancelled. In the similar way, a square by 2 minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Finally, integral value is 0. Integral f dot dr is also 0. From 1 and 2, double integral of curl f dot n ds over the surface S equals to integral f dot dr. Integral f dot dr. Hence, Stokes theorem is verified. Okay, same procedure, take it as homework. Same procedure, function is different. Same procedure, n equals to k, and just find the curl, then we will get the solution. This is homework. Just note down the question. If f equals to yi plus x minus 2xz j minus xyk, and evaluate the curl. Now this is not verification, just find the line integration only. Suppose if it is verification question, find both the line and surface integral, but here surface integral is required, just find the line integral only. No need to find curl, just application of Stokes theorem. So dr equals to dxi, just find the line integral. Just I will give the hint, f dot dr equals to y dx plus x minus 2xz xz dy minus xy dz. Now the curve is, the given curve, curve is x equals to, already we discussed, a cos theta, like our previous problem, a sin theta, z equals to 0. Dx equals to minus a sin theta d theta, dy equals to a cos theta d theta, dz equals to 0. Now y f dot dr. First y, a sin theta, dx minus a sin theta d theta plus x, a cos theta. Here z is 0, here z is 0, dy equals to a cos theta d theta. Simplification, a square is a common term, cos square theta minus sin square theta d theta. Nothing but a square cos 2 theta. By Stokes theorem, this is not verification, by Stokes theorem, double integral of curl f dot n ds equals to integral f dot dr over the closed curve C. Here a square into f dot dr equals to cos 2 theta d theta. Theta is 0 to 2 pi. Cos 2 theta integration is sin 2 theta by 2. 0 to 2 pi. Okay, again 0. Integral value is 0. Just for understanding, just verify. Verification is homework. But in this problem, no need to verify. Okay. So in the similar way, just try it. Homework question, but I will give the hint. Now this is using Stokes theorem. Just no need to find double integral. No need to find the double integral. Very easy. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. Triangle. This is triangle. This is triangle. This is A, B, C. A is 2, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 6. First find the line integral along OAB, along BC, along CA. So by Stokes theorem, no need to verify, just find the line integral only along OA, along BC, along CA. Just for understanding, I will tell you the just 1 second. Auto save. By Stokes theorem, double integral of curl f dot n ds equals to integral f dot dr over the closure curve C. This is same as integral along OA f dot dr, integral f dot dr, sorry, this is AB, AB, BC, dr, third one is along CA, f dot dr. What is the procedure? F dot dr equals to, dr is known, so x plus y dx plus 2x minus z dy plus z plus x y plus z dz. Just I will explain only one along AB. Along AB. What is A? A is 2, 0, 0. B equals to 0, 3, 0. C equals to 0, 0, 6. Okay. These are all points just for understanding. Along AB. What is the equation of AB bar? Formula is very simple. X minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So, equating with last term, x minus 2 equals to 0, y by 3, this is, so if you are equating with this one, first equating the first two. Equating the first two. Then what happened? 3 times of x minus 2 equals to minus 2y. And equating with any two, so z is 0, already known. So y equals to y equals to 3x minus 6 by minus 2. Z is 0. dy equals to minus 3 by 2 dx. Now substitute all these things in f dot dr. Everything in terms of z. First x plus y. X plus y. Y is 3x minus 6 by 2 into dx. Now second term 2x, 2 into x into z is 0. So dy equals to minus 3 by 2 dx. Now integrate f dot dr along AB equals to, so x limits, if you observe the x limits, 2 to 0, this is 5x by 2 minus 3, now this is minus 3x dx. So 5x square by 4 minus 3x square by 2. Now substitute the limit, 2 to 0. Now substitute the limits, you will get the required solution. Minus of 4 cancel, minus 6, 4 cancel, minus 3. So minus 9 plus 5 minus, so answer is 4. Integral f dot dr along AB equals to 4. In the similar way, find along BA, along CA. Finally add all the values, you will get the required solution. So remaining part is homework. Now try it. Otherwise mail to me, I will give the solution. Thank you very much. So up to this we discussed several things in vector integration. Just to we recall the concepts in vector calculus. So vector calculus is divided into two parts. One is vector differentiation. Second part is vector integration. In vector differentiation, we discussed three important concepts. What are the three? One, gradient, and second, divergence. Third one is curve. Here we discussed three important operators, vector operators, gradient, divergence, curve. But in vector integration, we discussed three types of integrations. What are the integrations? One, line integration. Second, surface integration. And third one is volume integrals. Line integrals is nothing but integration along a line. Surface integral is nothing but integration over a surface, two-dimensional integration. Volume integral is nothing but integration over some volume, which is in 3 dimension. Then we discuss three important theorems. What are the important three theorems? First one is Gauss divergence theorem. And second theorem is Green's theorem. And third one is Stokes theorem. So here we discussed three important theorems, three important types of integration in vector integration. So we have several applications in EMF theory and nothing but electromagnetic field, and we have several applications in fluid dynamics. We have several applications in electronics and electrical and mechanical engineering. So all these applications we can solve with the help of vector calculus. This is the end of our course, vector calculus. Thank you very much. Meet again.